Hello everyone, welcome to TekWek, and in today's video we are going to see how we can easily backup any file to Google Drive using Files by Google application. So you have to install Files by Google application. I already have installed here Files by Google application. So if you want to install it, link you can find in description. Okay, so you have to open Files by Google, and then after opening it, you just have to click on categories. So here there are many categories like downloads, images, videos, audios, documents, applications, this part. Okay, so in any of this you can simply go and whatever files you want to upload to Google Drive, you can do that. Okay, so suppose for documentation I want to do this because mostly documents we want to keep backup of, right? So suppose I select this file and I'll simply click on this three dot and then I'll click on backup to Google Drive. Once I click on this, it will ask my permission. I'll simply click OK. And then here, three things you'll find: file name, location, where it is being saved, and then the account. So from location, you can also create a folder in your drive and it will be saved to there. Okay. So now I'll click on save. And once I click on save, one file is being uploaded to my drive. That will be the notification. Okay. Now in case if you want to do it for multiple files, what you can do? So you can select multiple files this way or by date, or you can also select all. Okay. And all file you can send. Also you can see in multiple views. So this is one of the list view and this is the grid view. In both views, you can select the files. In both views, you can select all the files. You can select one file. And even if you select multiple files this way, so keep tab and then it will be selectable. And then you can simply click on three dot, backup to Google Drive. And then again, it will say like your files will be uploaded to Google Drive. You can find them later in the Google Drive app. So if you want to see those documents, you have to go to Google Drive application and then click OK. And all these file names will be shown in the file name box and then the location and then the account. And you can click on save. So this save will show you like, okay, these many files are being saved to Google Drive. Now if you want to check, then you can simply go to Google Drive and you can check it. So in next video, we'll see how you can see all these files into your Google Drive and you can access Google Drive using Files by Google application itself. Thank you so much for watching this video.